Termination of Cuban, Haitian, Nicaraguan, and Venezuelan CHNV parole. This guidance is effective March the 25th, 2025. Please note that this video is created by IRC, with the audio automatically generated by artificial intelligence. What is CHNV parole? The U.S. Department of Homeland Security, DHS, started the CHNV parole program in 2023 to allow nationals from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela to enter the U.S. for up to 2 years. It required a U.S. sponsor and security screenings and aimed to provide lawful pathways for humanitarian protection or family reunification. In October 2024, the program was discontinued after over 500,000 people had entered the U.S. through it. Parolees were encouraged to explore other legal options to stay. What does the March 25, 2025 notice announcing the termination of CHNV parole mean? On March 25, 2025, DHS announced in a notice in the Federal Register that the CHNV parole program has been terminated. Starting April 24, 2025, individuals in the U.S. under CHNV parole will lose parole if it hasn't already expired. They may face detention and removal from the U.S. I came to the U.S. with CHNV parole, and I have permission to work. Can I still work legally in the U.S.? According to the March 25, 2025 notice, work authorization for CHNV parolees will be revoked when parole is terminated or when the notice goes into effect on April 24, 2025. This means you will not be able to lawfully work after April 23, 2025 under CHNV parole. If you have work authorization based on another status, such as TPS, or a pending application for lawful permanent residence, green card, or asylum, you may still be able to work legally. What will happen after my parole is terminated? According to the notice, once your parole is terminated, you are considered unlawfully present and could be detained and removed from the U.S. unless you have another immigration status. What if I have a pending application for asylum or another status? While anyone who is unlawfully present may be removed, DHS has said they will prioritize for removal those who have not applied for another status, such as a green card, asylum, temporary protected status, TPS, or T visa status for victims of human trafficking. This means if you have an application pending, you should be able to remain in the U.S. while you wait for a decision, but it is not a guarantee. The termination of parole also does not affect you if you have already received another immigration status. Where can I find help? If you have not already done so, you should consult with an immigration legal service provider to see if you qualify for any other legal pathways to remain in the U.S. You can find assistance here. www.immigrationadvocates.org/legal directory. Note for Cubans and Haitians. Cubans and Haitians remain eligible for benefits and services as Cuban-Haitian entrants even if parole is terminated, as long as they have not received a final order of removal.